Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to check people you blocked on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to check blocked people in Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps to check people you blocked on Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open with different options. Scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. A new screen will appear with different settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, you are on the Privacy Settings page. Scroll down and tap on Blocked Users. Here, you will see a list of all the people you have blocked on Roblox. If you want to unblock someone, tap on the Unblock button next to their name.